how to change the currency on Singapore Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can change the currency on Singapore Airlines. So here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Singapore Airlines account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right side of the screen where you can see, okay, let's go back now. Ensure you remain on the home page. Okay, so on the home page, move to the top right side where you can see your account icon and then click on it. Then you can now go ahead and move to your account summary. Okay, and you wait patiently for it to load. So once that's loaded, this is your account summary page where you can see details about your account. And then once you can see this, move to the right side of the screen and then click on profile. Once it has loaded, you will be brought to the profiles page where you can see details about your profile, which include name, date of birth, nationality, passport, contacts, business, addresses, where you can see your country, region, and all of that. And then here you would see that there is no option for you to change currency. This is because you can only change your currency by changing the country of your account. So how do you change the country? Move to the top right side of the screen and then click on the Singapore English that you can see there. Once you selected it, you can see select location and language. Your location will determine the amount or the currency that will be spent on your account. So you can just come over here and select the country whose currency you'd like to use aside from that of Singapore. Alright, so the country I intend to use is not here, but for you check through if you would see your own. If you can see, just go ahead, select it, and then the language and the country would be changed automatically. So this is how you can change your currency on Singapore Airlines. Thank you and have a good day.